But first night, I think that might have been right. First night free. Molly's in lockdown. They're calm. Gabby's in the penthouse. Hi, Truth. All right. Did you push that through there, or did it just fall through? Do you like these kind of bones? I don't think you ever chew on anything, do you? You know what? Let's give you your little... Oh, no, I'm going to give it to you when you're on lockdown tomorrow. Oh, sorry, dude. Here you go, buddy boy. You can have that. You can have this. And you can have this. These are good boys. That's your room for the day. What do you want, sucker? Smoothie time. You gonna come hang out? Is it weird that you don't have your room? Look at him drink out of the big boy bowl. What's up, Goober? Boy, look at that water splashing out your mouth. Oh, you see that splashing? Holy moly. I would need to put my shoe mat down there. Dude, quit being a dick. Damn boy, you was thirsty, huh? Dang, more water? Dude. You gotta drink that whole bowl, bro? Whoa, what happened there? Look at that.